Morning student, continue with our topic. Next example of substitution reaction, ethane. Ethane react with chlorine in same way, producing successively chloroethane, dichloroethane, trichloroethane, tetrachloroethane, pentachloroethane, hexachloroethane. Here the reaction, we have a alkane ethane reacting with the chlorine molecule, producing monochloroethane and HCl. Here one hydrogen is replaced by chlorine atom. Next reaction, so this is a continued reaction in which we are getting dichloroethane, trichloroethane, tetrachloroethane, pentachloroethane and hexachloroethane by replacing hydrogen. And at last all the hydrogen is replaced by the chlorine. So here we are getting hexachloroethane and the other product is HCl. Catalytic oxidation of alkane. Here on controlled oxidation or catalytic oxidation, alkane give alcohol, aldehyde, carboxylic acid depending upon the reaction conditions. First example, when a mixture of methane and oxygen in the ratio 9:1 by the volume is compressed to about 120 atmospheric pressure and passed over copper tube at 475 Kelvin, methyl alcohol is formed. Reaction: 2 molecule of methane reacting with the 1 molecule of oxygen, producing 2 molecule of methyl alcohol. Here we are taken copper tube, 475 Kelvin, 120 atmospheric pressure. When a mixture of methane and oxygen is passed over heated molybdenum oxide, the mixture is oxidized to methanol, that is formaldehyde. Reaction: methane react with oxygen, molybdenum oxide is a catalytic, then methanol is formed and water molecule. When a third example, when a manganese based catalytic is used at 100 degrees Celsius temperature, methane can be oxidized to methanoic acid, common name formic acid. That is, take 2 molecule of methane, react with 3 molecule of oxygen in presence of manganese compound as a catalytic. Then we are getting methanoic acid 2 molecule and here 2 molecule of water. The reaction with ethane 2 molecule reacting with oxygen, conditions are same. Ethyl alcohol we are getting. Then when the molybdenum oxide, ethane react with oxygen, producing here acetaldehyde and water. Then ethyl alcohol reacting with oxygen, platinum is a catalytic, 300 degrees Celsius temperature. Then acetic acid is forming and water. Slow combustion. Slow combustion means that methane or ethane can be treated with oxidizing agent like acidified K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate or acidified KMnO4 potassium permanganate at high pressure and at comparatively low temperature. Here high pressure and low temperature. Catalytic we know, 2 catalytic, from both we are taking 1 catalytic, that is K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate. Alkane when react with potassium dichromate in presence of oxygen, convert into alcohol. When alcohol react with oxygen in presence of catalytic, producing aldehyde, aldehyde react in presence of catalytic, producing carboxylic acid, and then carboxylic is producing carbon dioxide and water vapor. If you are taking in presence of alkane, we are taking methane as an example. Methane react with oxygen producing methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol convert into formaldehyde. Formaldehyde convert into formic acid, and at the last carbon dioxide and water. So like in this way also we can convert one product into another product and this reaction takes place. and it helps us to form the methyl alcohol, formaldehyde and formic acid. Here few uses are there. Uses of methane. Methane is a source of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Here it is used in the preparation of useful compounds like ethine, methanol, methanol, chloromethane and tetrachloromethane. It is employed as a domestic fuel. Ethane